Hello, this is Craig Lane with Health Alchemy. We're out here in the forest and in nature, and we're here to talk about how do you control things like your thoughts or your mind. Or see, this mosquito just flies by and I get a little reaction. And that's natural because the mosquito can cause pain, but I don't make up a big story about it. Or if I do, then how is it that we can slow down and sort of get underneath the thought patterns that seem to sometimes carry us away, like terror, panic attack, fear, anxiety. You know, sometimes we get launched onto those like a magic carpet and it carries us away. So one of the things we do is there's this thing we call grace, and grace is sort of like the joker or the wild card. It could wake us up at any moment. We could be in the middle of a terrible argument with somebody we know, or right in the middle of a terrible catastrophe that we might have caused, like, oh, I climbed too high in that tree and now I can't get down. Well, there's this moment where it's like, and we sort of wake up, and then we're more aware and at choice. And that's how we know we're awake in day-to-day life. So how do you get there? Well, first off is you've got to align with sort of a relationship with grace. And so the way the law kind of works is that when you're awake or aware, then you sort of do your work. And one of those things is if you become aware that your mind is the sort of a separation where, oh, your mind and then the body are sort of irritating each other, then you do this simple 6-count breath and do it at least 3 times, if not 7 or 8, 9. And that is inhale slowly to a 6 count. I use my heart rate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's literally my heart rate. And the yogis knew this long ago, is that the mind and the breath, so when the mind is fast and racing, the breath is usually short and fast. And then we have a long, deep, slow breath, especially on the exhalation. Emphasizing the exhalation is where we let go or expire. And then if we emphasize an inhalation, hold in the breath more, then that's more inspiration. How's that? To inspire is to inhale and to expire is to exhale. And it's one of those simple tools that you can use just in your day-to-day life to make yourself a little bit, like we just did a video about productivity. Don't you want to be more productive? Don't you want to be happier, lighter, more aware? I mean, the keys to the kingdom are right here, folks.